in a different kind of collaboration than I've ever been involved in before. And here's a sneak preview. Please stay tuned until the end.
So you think you're a seed expert? Well, let's put it to the test. We need your help. Well, thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. I am really excited about this. My wife Heather was lucky enough to win a prize early on from Roots and Refuge, and it was seeds, and I swear she was more excited about that than she would have been to win the lottery. The excitement that I could see in her face let me know that I needed to share the experience of gardening with her. So I am a novice, and through a novice's eyes, it was easy to see there was something special about seeds. So I took a moment to think that out of something so small, something so special can come about. Have it be vegetables, herbs, flowers, you name it. It's pretty exciting when you take a moment to think of it. Out of that love of seeds, out of that twinkle in my wife's eye, came the idea for the 2019 Secret Gardener Seed Challenge. Over this spring and summer, we are going to be doing a series of 5 videos. And what's really important is we want you to watch them through a playlist. So if you happen to come about one of them, they're going to make mention to the playlist, and we strongly urge you to stop and start from the beginning. Now, one of the things that we want you to do is play along. If you know what these seeds are, please make a comment in the comment section of each one of the videos. In the notes section, we are going to have still images of the seeds and of the seedlings so you can take a closer look. We need your help in identifying this. Now, if you want to play along with, all the channels are going to have a score sheet, and you can download that same score sheet. It will be a link inside the notes on each one of the videos for each one of the channels. As we were contemplating starting our YouTube channel, one of the things that really excited us was being part of the community. How do we collaborate with other channels? And so I started thinking, and this is our first attempt to collaborate with people from across the United States. What is something that we all enjoy? And with the spring, it's starting seeds. And so the idea that we have seeds that Roots and Refuge had in their garden the previous year is really exciting to us. And we thought, how great would it be to share seeds from our garden with other channels and have those connections with nature across the United States. We've already done a ton of work, and we haven't even come out with the first video yet. And what's so great is that with all the conversations and preparation for this, I really feel connected to the other channels that we are participating with. These are channels that we really like. So make sure that you subscribe and watch some of their other videos. Here are the 6 channels that are going to be competing in the 2019 Secret Gardener Seed Challenge.
Hey friends, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
So good. Today, we're going to be hatching some chicks.
Alright, how's it going everyone? You're watching the Green Dream Project. Jim here.
And Jessica.
Okay, I'm ready.
Our channel's young and we don't know, so much to learn and so much more to grow.
We'll make mistakes and film them too, but you got me and baby I got you. Jess and I are gonna string up these 2x6s going right down the middle. Oh, he's gonna win with it! You're gonna win!
I think I've hit the mother lode, and that is going to start being right over here. I don't know. Anyway, hang around and we'll see what else we can find. Number one, the hootenanny, and number two, coming up right after that, we are going into a lifestyle center, Jessica and myself, and we are going to try to get really healthy and get back on track. I don't know if that made any sense, but that's my 2 cents for today.
If you're new to the channel, I'm Tiffany, Mrs. Davis, and this is Leon. One issue with the property is that we don't have any water or electric, for that matter, on the property. So watering animals and bathing animals can be a real conundrum. I preferred the bottles to the buckets, and she was like, she just literally just sticks, once she gets them trained to the bottle, she literally just sticks them through the fence, and you can just hold them both together and they'll just nurse through the fence. So that's gonna be a lot cheaper. And
all that work I did to hunt down that other bucket, and you're gonna come out here and tell me you want to do fucking bottles. Come on, man.
I love you. I love you.
Welcome back to the city stead. You ever see Saturday Night Live? You know, two wild and crazy guys. Every time I hear that name, that's all that I think of.
That's right. Today we're hanging out with Mr. Man. A little bit of fun, like we did with Sissy on the daddy-daughter date. Now we're having a bro day. Big bro, little bro. Fist bump. High five. Yeah, there he is. He's ready. Let's go do this. We gotta go get some oars.
Welcome to Bare Bottom Acres. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Heather.
We're gonna tell you on this video,
We've been challenged.
and we never lose.
Okay. Alright, so welcome to Minnesota where it hurts to breathe.
It's cold today.
It is cold today.
My ear's getting cold. I'll go like this for a moment.
Okay.
I'm 44 years old. Heather's 27.
Oh, right in the...
And our kids just laugh their butts off.
Yes.
This homesteading thing's supposed to be easy and not work, right? Most importantly, this is going to be a ton of fun. I know that there are a lot of people claiming to be seed experts out there. We're new to this. Let's see who actually knows.
Thanks, Kevin. I don't know about you guys, but this has been like something that's been really exciting to me since January when I first heard of the idea on Facebook. I hope you guys will subscribe to everybody that's involved and follow us and try to guess the seeds. I don't know about everybody else, but the seeds I got, some of them are way out there. I have not a clue. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless.